You might be wondering to yourself, is there a way that I can compare across geographies for the same chart on the California Immigrant Data Portal? My name is Arpita, and I am a data analyst here at the USC Equity Research Institute. The answer is yes, and I'm here to show you how, so follow along. We'll start by going to the Foreign-Born Indicator page by clicking on the Indicators tab at the top of the homepage, located right here. You'll notice that the Foreign-Born Indicator is located under the Demographics section, so we're going to click on it. Once we're on the page, you'll notice that the first breakdown is a line chart looking at the changes in the foreign-born population over time. Our website allows you to compare line charts and simple column or bar charts by selecting the Compare button. To create a comparison chart, we can go to the Compare button above the indicator title, and once it's selected, we can go to the Choose Your Geography type and select our geography of interest. So in this case, I'm really interested in comparing California to Los Angeles County. So I'm going to go ahead and click on County for my geography type. And then under the Choose Your Geography section, which is right next to geography type, I am going to select down to Los Angeles County on the drop-down menu. So now you'll notice that the chart has updated and now includes Los Angeles County as a comparison to California. And I can now compare the percent of the foreign-born population in California versus LA County. So we'll notice some interesting trends here. We'll notice that in the 1860s, California actually had a higher percentage of the foreign-born population compared to Los Angeles County. But starting in the 1940s, this shifted. And now, currently, Los Angeles County has a higher foreign-born population than the state of California as of 2021. So it's worthwhile to see how your specific geography is comparing against others using this comparison tool. But let's say now I've looked at LA County and I'm actually interested in comparing this against another county like Orange County. So I can go and click on the Select button located above the chart title, and I can then select County under the geography type, and then scroll down to Orange County under Choose Your Geography. And we'll notice that now, instead of comparing against the state, we are able to compare Los Angeles County against Orange County. And we'll see some interesting trends here too. Now we'll notice that Orange County has a slightly lower percentage of the foreign-born population compared to Los Angeles County, but the rate of growth is very similar to that of Los Angeles County. So this is really valuable to know. I would highly recommend checking out this feature and seeing how you might be able to use it for your own research. I hope that this has been helpful so far. And for more tips on how you can utilize the California Immigrant Data Portal, check out our how-to section. If you have more specific questions about the California Immigrant Data Portal, email us at eri.dornsife.usc.edu. And be sure to check out the other indicators on the California Immigrant Data Portal.